did not pack smartly, so I'm wearing this jacket every single day. Unless I find a new jacket at the mall. But brown, this, and another black tank top for underneath. I think it helped because I feel so much warmer than yesterday. Okay, this is where we're eating at, the Egg Club. This is the menu. I think I want ham and cheese. Yeah. There's a phone mart. Like, look at all these random shops. Prawn brokers. Get your nails done. So interesting. Oh my goodness, look how cute. It's so cute. That's the best thing I've seen so far. Wow.
Go straight. Yeah, straight.
I left in my other coat. Our door's open too. Yeah. I left in my other coat after I took off my coat. Fix our car.
You can come in our room.
Yeah, you can come.
Oh, it's okay. It's hot in here.
Oh, it is really hot in here.
Yeah, we gotta turn down the heat.
Yeah, you guys. Hey, it feels nice when you're sleeping.
A movie. She got guac egg sandwich. I got ham and cheese.
Hollandaise sauce.
I got mine with the egg sauce, which is sweet. Oh, my
guacamole.
She got the same thing as Kim. Okay, guys, moment of truth. I already think it's gonna be good. Oh, it's kind of cool. The Egg Club. I wish mine had more ham in it. Yeah, is this just bread? Just pure bread? Okay, that's done. Are you from Toronto?
Yeah, I am.
You are? So you were born and raised here?
No, but I'm from Afghanistan.
Venison?
Afghanistan.
Afghanistan. Oh, wow. How long have you been here for?
Wait, where are we right now?
We are.
Global stuff.
I want to try this spicy green tea.
I only want hot drinks right now. Oh, probably. I low-key want a lizard as a pet. I love how like green it is. Yeah. It's like a statue. Yeah, literally. This is the ramen we're getting. What did you say? Okay, we finished at the zoo. Now we're getting ramen. I got a tom yum steak ramen, so I'm excited to try that. Okay, this is my steak ramen. I'm gonna put this in here fast. It's gonna burn. And I don't like overcooked steak. So, let's do this. There. Okay. Yes. Just that. And the soup is a 10 out of 10. This is so good. 10 out of 10 ramen.
But this one's
So good. Okay, this restaurant very tiny, as all Toronto restaurants are, but it's so cool. Well, Asian market? I did not know weed was legal here.
Oh, we should go there. Home of the cutest things.
Home of the cutest things. I'm gonna go there.
Yeah.
We're going in here. I'm definitely gonna get something from here. Literally the perfect shop for me. Oh my god. Look at those hair clips. So stinking cute. Oh my god. Look at these crochets. Oh, those are pretty. Wait, I low-key want one. So many cool shops. More size. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, Kim! Look at that bag. We're tired from walking the whole day. We did 10 miles, so we got takeout sushi. And it looks bomb.
Almost 11 miles of walking today.
Did they give us